The Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, yes, criticized Zimbabweans who pose as business people without traceable capital or legitimate businesses. Saka pana mashoko kubuda panguva ino inokonzi aiwa VP Chiwenga panguva ino hoya panguva ino vachinyatsoataka zvigananda vachiti vanhu vanoita as if vane mabusinesses as if they are business people but panguva ino vachinyatsoonekwa kunzi vachinyatsokurakasha mari dzenyika. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tibina muna umpanapa mududula mudanyira chiti speaking at the Zimbabwe National Chamber of Commerce ZNCC Congress in Big Falls on Thursday 26 June. Chiwenga condemned what he described as a growing culture of briefcase entrepreneurs where wealth emerges from unknown sources. He said this trend of phantom entrepreneurship is not only damaging to the economy but also morally bankrupt, said Chiwenga. We must shun unscrupulous so-called business people operating from briefcase with no traceable capital or a legitimate enterprise. This culture of phantom entrepreneurship, where money appears without any known source, is not only economically corrosive but ethically bankrupt. We all know that money does not fall from the heavens like manna. Real businesses are built through hard work, discipline, sacrifice, and value creation. The day of reckoning is inevitable for those who undermine our economic integrity by engaging in shadowy dealings. Let us not mortgage our nation's future to fleeting gain. It was Chiwenga who popularized the term Zvigananda, a word now widely used to describe people who flaunt wealth believed to have been acquired through corrupt and opaque means, often with links to political power. Ndomashwaruya panapa tiona VP Constantino Chiwenga ayo panguva ino vachinyatso kuti aiwa the day of reckoning is inevitable. Vakomana vese vari kuonekwa kunzi mabusinessmen vanoonekwa kunzi aiwa they are operating from briefcase ari kuachiwa pamawarnings. Ina comment section medu dzimafunguro enyu kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like chat on the bell icon.